up, everybody? Rebel Beatbox here with another beatboxing tutorial on scratching. I'm going to kind of switch up my style a little bit to kind of help you guys out more. I've been thinking about it. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you not only the words to say to make the sounds, but also my warm-up. I'm going completely cold right here, so I'm not going to warm up or practice or anything before I do these. I'm just going to show you how I warm up to get up to my speeds. So let's get right into it. So an easy sound is chewy, 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 chewy. Remember from the previous videos, you're over pronunciating when you're beatboxing. So a good word is chewy, 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 chewy. Or the chewy. Just shh, but kind of like pushing air out through the sides of your tongue, putting the tongue up to the roof of your mouth, but not necessarily touching, just enough to where it's like impeding the airflow, and most air is going out to the side. So you saw I pushed a little air out to the side too. Just the k sound, but adding the sh. And there's a lot of different other scratching sounds too. Also, you can get a little bit of a higher pitched, faster scratch if you put your lip in and kind of with your tongue, kind of push it up a little bit, kind of pull it back, scrunch it, and you're going to be pushing air over your tongue and down over your lip. So I could go ahead and show you a couple of other ones as well. Slow them up. So also you can do, I like to use scratching also as an intermediate sound, a transition sound, and also a breathing sound. So you can breathe in too using the same tongue movement and technique. Also, there is crab scratching. This one, crab scratching, is actually pretty hard. Took me a long time to get it. I was going to do a video all by itself, but I thought, let's throw them all in one. So crab scratching, this one is going to take you a long time, but it's probably one of the most impressive that you can throw out because you're using your hand. And how you're going to do it is you're going to put your hand at a 90-degree angle and have your thumb out and kind of tilt it back. What I like to do is take this hand and kind of put these together, take this hand and push the skin back, get a little bit of friction. Sometimes I put a little saliva right there and kind of just move it back, moisten it up. It's an instrument. It's kind of like a woodwind or whatever, so you don't want to just blow into like a dry reed. So kind of push that back, kind of close up the gap. Once again, thumb back, out, tilted. You're going to purse your lips and you're going to breathe in for this exercise. So once again, a nice breathing transition while you're beatboxing to keep your flow. So you're going to breathe in and you're going to say water, water, tuka, tuka. Once again, totally not warmed up at all. Got to tune my instrument. And I'm kind of pulling these fingers back too. Okay, and you can also say Reemy Teemy or Tapa to Papa. So you can use all your different types of scratchings for transitions, breathing, etc. And also you have your high-pitched verbal scratching. So those are the different types of scratching that you can all incorporate. If you put all of them together, they can have their own kind of unique orchestra. So practice up on your scratching. Let me know if you have some comments. Once again, after I do get a handful of comments, I'm going to be doing a questioning and answering video, kind of go over some techniques for you guys. Like, share, follow, subscribe, and take a look at some of my other tutorials. Thanks.